never stayed in before. Ooh, it smells nice in here.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I like their bathroom. Let's look at the bathroom. Big shower with glass, no curtain. A separate vanity space. I'm loving the use of space in this bathroom. Your sink with towels and all the stuff. Toilet there. And then right off of the bathroom, you've got a big closet, hangers, ironing board, extra linen, safe, luggage rack. And then right next to it you have the coffee maker with some waters. These are most likely free for Hilton Diamond Gold members. These are probably not free. Coffee maker, ice bucket. They've already brought in our luggage and put it up. Wow. Wow. Okay. Oh, looks like they left you something on the table. What did they leave you? Let's see. What did they leave you?
A happy.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Cool.
Happy birthday. Wow.
This is why we love Hilton. See?
Wow.
They left us something nice for his birthday. We've got a full sitting area, a nice little coffee table. There's a workstation, which I'll most likely be utilizing tonight. This nice big king bed. Looks like we have a corner room, so I'm excited to see our view. A nice big TV, which we heard that they have streaming services, so we're going to check that out. Which actually I don't even need to, because look, the remote says Netflix. So they do have streaming services. So upon further inspection, they have a mini fridge here, and then some storage. Oh, they're all drawers, so we've got plenty of storage. Now let's check out this view. Oh my God, do we have a view of Universal Studios? Oh, we have a view of Universal Studios! Oh my gosh! That is flippin' awesome. We are actually about to go to Universal Studios Hollywood for their Fan Fest nights. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to see that in the morning and wake up to that. This is awesome. Wow.
After calling the front office, they informed me that for Fan Fest, they do run pretty much all day. The last pickup is at 3 a.m. So we got here a little late. So right now it's 8:15. So we'll be heading down. But right at the valet area is the pickup. They'll drop you off at the entrance to Universal, and then they'll pick you up again at the same spot. So that is the plan. That is how they have it arranged from the hotel.
Nice. What did they tell you about breakfast and the restaurants and stuff?
They have a brunch on the weekends, but since we're now going in from Sunday to Monday, we won't have brunch tomorrow, unfortunately. So if we do experience that, we'll have to come back over the weekend another time. But there, I believe in the midday, they have the bar, but you can order food. And earlier in the day, they do have breakfast from 7 to 10.
Oh.
And then they have another restaurant that opens up at 5, but we'll be long gone at that juncture. But that is, I guess, 5 to 10. So that's how they break it up.
So they gave Ronnie a piece of chocolate cake with some raspberries and some chocolate syrup. However, Ronnie can't have chocolate, so I am going to try this on his behalf. Let's see, here we go. This looks so good. It's not very cakey. Like, there's not much cake to it. It's more like fudge is what it kind of is giving. But hey, chocolate is chocolate. And I love chocolate. One more bite. You know something's good when the Krystal shimmy comes out. So this side of the bed is the side that has like all the plugs. The other side of the bed only has a lamp like this with one plug. So that's the only plugs for the bedside. So if you have multiple devices trying to charge, try to find them elsewhere in the room. So Hilton left us the little room service menu and the information about it. Breakfast is from 6:30 to 10 a.m. Or you can order by dialing 44. And they have options from fruits and cereals, stuff from the griddle. Let's see what else they've got. Soups, salads, pizzas. They've got some handheld options here. They've got all things egg. They got some wake up drinks, some breakfast sides here. And then from their evening time, from 5 to 10:30, they've got some different appetizer options. And I'm guessing evening is also when they do soups. Is when they also do soups, salads, pizzas and stuff in the handhelds. And then here are the evening entrees that they offer. It looks like they've got some steak, some tacos, some chicken Alfredo, some desserts. They've also got stuff where you can pick it up at the desk. It looks like they've got refreshments that are also served during these times. Nothing in between except for maybe the bar. But they got some coffee or tea options. They've got some kid options. And then here's everything for that you can get at the bar. So like sparkling and white wines, rosés, red wines, beers, ciders, and seltzers. So quite a big extensive menu, I'd say. They offer quite a bit. So far, this Hilton gets a 10 out of 10 just by, it's a full service Hilton, so they've got valet, they've got bell. You can self-park. They have breakfast options. There was a wedding going on when we pulled up, so obviously they have event space, which most hotels do, but I've never actually seen one going on when I've been there. They do have this really cute like cafe like right outside the hotel that I'm going to show you when I come down. They also have a gift shop. They have a gift shop downstairs that is open until 10 o'clock, as well as I think the bar might be open until 11, or like the little bar food area. And the gift shop is like a mixture of Harry Potter, well, Universal, and then also like Hollywood, but then it's also dubbed as like a convenience store kind of thing where you can get like toiletries if you need them, medicines, that kind of thing. So I'm gonna check that out before I go. So this is the front of our hotel. We have a beautiful view. I bet you if I walked all the way out there, you could see the view that we've got. So we got the Sheraton, Universal right there next to the Comcast NBC Universal building. And then there's this cute little, like, it's called Five on the Hill. It's a cute little cafe restaurant. And there's Ronnie. Hilton Universal City. Let's go inside and check out the area. All right. Beautiful courtyard area right here. So there's the gift shop. So we'll go in there in the morning before we leave. But they also have hydro massage chairs. Like, What? There's a little business center. But yeah. It looks like there's like a screen. Can you like stream or something? Wow.
The next day.
This is probably the sexiest thing Ronnie's ever done.
I've been doing this for years, babe.
I know, but it's just super, it's hella sexy when a guy does it. I opened up the curtains, and this is our full panoramic view of Universal Studios in Los Angeles, California. I said I'd show you the little restaurant that they have outside of the Hilton. Isn't it cute? It's like sunny out, it's beautiful. California, you are a gorgeous state, I will say that. At least